Diets and superfood trends are all the rage nowadays, from advertisement commercials that play everywhere to word of mouth praising how all of our problems can be solved with a single change in our diet. Although some diets and superfoods do help people in some of their health problems, there isn't a say-all answer to one food or one diet helping everyone out. Wait a second, it turns out someone says there is. Today we are going to be taking a look at kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented tea that cultures live bacteria. The health claims of kombucha are wide, with some people claiming that it can cure or help literally anything from cancer to AIDS. The general claims claim that it just really helps the digestive system and the immune system. Do these health claims cause kombucha to be a superfood, or is kombucha just another fad that's not going to really do anything? Kombucha isn't something new though. Kombucha's been around for hundreds of years, originating in East Asia around 200 BC. It popularized in Japan around 400 AD as it was used to help the warrior stay strong in battle and heal people from sicknesses. The word kombucha was first recorded in Russia after some of these East Asia countries traded around, ended up trading some of this kombucha with some Russians. Kombucha ingredients are really simple. They're made of kombucha, tea, juice, sugar. That's about it. All those ingredients are lacking in fats and protein, although some may just have like a gram of protein in it. I found that with this one right here compared to this brand that doesn't have any. But they do contain anywhere from 4 to 8% of your daily carbohydrates that you need in a 2,000 calorie diet per day. The total calories in kombucha range from anywhere from 30 to 80 calories. Usually though, the more calories inside a kombucha drink means it's going to be a little bit more sweeter since of the added sugars. Kombucha tea is prepared by placing kombucha culture into a sugar tea broth. There are varieties of teas that they use, from black tea to green tea. Fermentation of the kombucha culture creates bacteria that is then used as an active ingredient inside a kombucha drink. Kombucha usually contains alcohol. It varies from 0.5% to 8%. The 0.5% usually is a non-alcoholic one that you can get literally at any grocery store, to 8% where you're going to have to go into the liquor store to buy. What this means is that children, pregnant women, and people who have liver disease should steer away from drinking kombucha. A current trend of kombucha has risen. In 2017, kombucha sales increased 37.4%. In 2018, kombucha showed a positive 49% dollar growth. Major news outlets, including the New York Times, have talked about kombucha being this new and mysterious drink. According to the New York Times, sales of hard kombucha have spiked 247% in the last year. Needless to say, kombucha sales are increasing as time goes on. But why? Obviously, the health claims on a unique drink such as kombucha would be an answer to why suddenly more people are buying and drinking the drink. So, is there any scientific evidence to identify kombucha as a superfood? In a scientific article titled Kombucha, a systematic review of empirical evidence of human health benefit, they reviewed a total of 310 articles written on kombucha to see if there is any correlation on the health benefits. The results found that only one out of the 310 studies had human subjects for their research. The one human test that did take place, however, had 24 adults with non-insulin dependent diabetes. They consumed kombucha over the span of 3 months. Their blood sugar was reported to stabilize within normal range. But there is a problem with this study. A problem with the study is that it was not controlled nor randomized. Even though the subjects reported to feel better and have benefits of drinking kombucha, there was no scientific evidence from the research that was able to back up those claims. Take it as you will, but it seems like the one human experiment conducted with kombucha doesn't say a lot about what kombucha can do. Although they have only tested once on humans, many of these studies involved non-human subjects, and they were able to find those health benefits that people are claiming. Non-human health studies have shown many pros. A pair of Russian researchers named Dufresne and Farnworth found in the year 2000 some of these pros. There are signs of reduced cholesterol level, reduced atherosclerosis, reduced blood pressure, reduced inflammatory problems, reduced obesity and regulated appetite, protection against diabetes, increased body resistance to cancer, reduced stress, relieve headaches, improve eyesight, and countering aging, and enhancing general metabolism. That's a good girl. I'm gonna make you into a super dog. Huh. But wait a second. With no scientific evidence claiming any of the health benefits that come from kombucha, does that mean that there's no other benefits that come from kombucha? Are we just wasting our money on some mumbo-jumbo kombucha? Kombucha is found to be quite environmentally friendly. Looking up where most of these companies get ingredients, popular brands like GTS claim that they source their ingredients from within the Americas, including the United States, Central and South America, and India. Wait, India? Having ingredients close to production for GTS, it is in California, Los Angeles, California, it helps cut down some of these environmental factors such as shipping the ingredients. But you can also claim that there's methods of making it more environmentally friendly by them actually growing their resources that they need for their drinks closer to where their production is and only selling locally. And yeah, but it looks like here too that most kombucha companies are based in the United States. Buying kombucha stimulates the American economy and supports businesses that are based here in the United States. So the more money we're putting into this company, the more money we're actually putting into our own economy. Whoa. Kombucha is also made with vegan ingredients. This means that no animals were harmed in the making of your kombucha. Alright, here comes the hard question. Is kombucha a superfood? In evaluating the research that I've done on kombucha, it's safe to say that kombucha shouldn't be considered a superfood. Since there is not a lot of scientific research about what the health benefits can do for us humans, we can't say that it is a superfood. This may be able to change over time, but as of now, doctors and dietitians should not be recommending kombucha to their clients in order to bolster health benefits. Kombucha is FDA approved, but like anything else, used improperly or in large quantities may find harmful effects to the body. As the popularity of kombucha increases, hopefully we'll find more scientific research being done into kombucha drinks and find health benefits that come from it. Because honestly, if all the health benefits that have been said about it do come true, we may be able to classify kombucha to be a very great superfood. But until then, kombucha is not a superfood.